Let me just tell you guys, we are profitable this week starting today because I've already traded. This is actually just a trading analysis, maybe trading live if I see more opportunities. I've made a 1 to 1.62, which I'll show you guys just after this, but I have to tell you guys a few things. If you guys want to join me, my way to the top, because disclaimer, I'm not profitable, but that's my goal. Down below is Traders Headquarters. You guys know what to do. Obviously, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like, subscribe, and let's get to this. I'm going to start with a 30-minute time frame analysis of what happened and what I saw and what I did. So during this time, guys, you can clearly see that the daily open price is actually up here. And usually I put my phase one around my daily open price. That's just where it usually is. But in this case, it wasn't. It was actually down here. So I was like, okay, cool. Let's just try fit it in. So 30-minute time frame, obviously up here coming down was in the third phase still. We can clearly see that zoomed out. You can see right now we're kind of in a range right now. For this week, we've actually just been in a downtrend. So what I saw here is that price was in phase three, came back to phase one. You can see phase two here. And essentially I thought phase three was going to be the opposite side, or just phase two coming back up, which it did. And I was expecting price to at least come up all the way to daily open, but instead it actually just came to just above monthly open, and then news came and pushed it back down. I'll show you guys my entry, and yeah, it really just ended up with a 1 to 1.6, I think it was. What was going through my mind in these states usually was only alarms. What I did differently was I didn't actually look at the charts. I was actually focused and distracted on something else, because I was just distracted, and being distracted from the charts is actually a good thing. Just have alarms set in place. If price goes below this area, if price goes above this area, that's when you have a look at it and check what's wrong, because it stops you from actually either interfering with your strategy if you're not good with psychology. And for this case, it just made my psychology just much easier. And this is just what the trader got. The entry I came in here was because of liquidity grab right here. I was actually expecting another liquidity grab down here. Instead, that I had a 10 pip stop loss covering both of them. I've learnt my lesson, what happened last time, so covered my stop loss with both of them. 10 pip stop loss, it was good enough. But I didn't think price was going to continue pushing too much, because it was congesting here a bit. So from this, what I realized is, I took a buy, I held it through, and then obviously over time, you can clearly see this price just shot up a bit. Did the exit strategy just here. I was expecting the exit strategy a bit above, but if you can see from, remember my phase one right here, my phase two, you can clearly see that this is also the liquidity for phase one. So it's obvious that price could stop here and reject. So that's really what happened. I was waiting for price to at least come out the other end, and it did. Closed it just right here, just because of price coming below this previous low that it just made. I'm actually was looking for any extra buys, but it doesn't look like buys are actually valid for the time being. Maybe look for a buy if price grabs liquidity. But overall, for this time being, it's just been in a downtrend for like the past week. It could definitely switch now, today. I'm not too sure what I'll do, so you guys may have to just wait 30 to 40 minutes later, see what my plan is. But yeah, for the time being, this is what we got. We're holding our trade, barely any drawdown, pushed up perfectly, got to our areas. We're just going to give us what the market wants us to have, and yeah, we're just going to see what happens. If I was to take a buy at any time, the place where it is right now is a good place, but also down below where liquidity is. So besides that, guys, I'm just going to see what happens in like 30 minutes to 1 hour, and by that time this video may be posted, and I probably would have taken another trade if there was a trade represented. So you guys just won't know. You won't know. It depends on what price does as well. Yeah, that's really it. So guys, it is now 11 o'clock. I was looking at maybe taking a buy here, but just from how price was looking and just how it is, now I know that if price continues to push up, it really does respect the 61% area, but usually I wait for the liquidity to be grabbed down here, and it doesn't look like price is going to do it within our time frame that I can edit and record and produce this video today. So we're going to call it now. We're going to be left another cliffhanger, but right now, as we stand, we are profitable for the week. Tick off Wednesday, so 2 more days left. Second thing is also, we got a dub today, really good dub, weren't greedy. The funny thing about this is that what I changed was I back tested a little bit. I did fool around a lot, to be honest. Not during this trade, guys. I wasn't even focused on the trade. I was playing a game like the whole time for like 2 hours, because price didn't just stop here. It stopped, it kept going, came all the way back up here, came back down here, and then I went to my certain area, and I was like, okay, this is where I'll probably take out if price breaks through. It did break through, and I was like, yeah, okay, I'm happy with this. Boom. I did expect price to get to daily open, just how it usually is. Like, it broke off, didn't ever come back for the whole day. So I do definitely expect price to get back to daily open, but I also expect price to grab the bottom liquidity down here. So, I may do that later on today. I may take another trade, may not, depending on how I'm feeling. just depending on how the market is, you guys just won't know until tomorrow. But yeah, pretty good day today. So yeah, guys, obviously, if you guys enjoyed this, you know what to do. Like button down there and subscribe, because we're going to the top. You guys can join me. I'll let you all join me. It's all right. And Traders Headquarters down below. I'll catch you all Thursday.